The creme de la creme of condos sits at the very top of the Shangri-La Toronto Residences. Nestled in the heart of the city, this architectural masterpiece offers an unforgettable blend of luxury and sophistication. The lower floors of the building house a well-renowned five-star hotel. The middle section is dedicated to premium condominium residences, but Suite 5402 is among the uppermost levels, known as the Private Estate Collection, and it sets an entirely new standard for luxury living. Valued at $7.3 million, this luxury condo's layout has 4,431 square feet, more living space than most Toronto listings within the same price range. The centerpiece of this home is easily the two-story living room, featuring floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic views of the Toronto skyline, including the famous CN Tower. The elegant chandelier and a floating glass staircase add to the refined ambiance. The built-in wet bar is another eye-popper, complete with a corner aquarium filled with tropical fish. The sleek nature of the herringbone pattern hardwood floors and the marble fireplaces and bathrooms balance out the space. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with contemporary cabinets, granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, and top-tier Miele and SubZero appliances. It also has an eat-at-center island with a gas stove and a dining area with a fireplace. Upstairs, the primary suite features a tray ceiling, a lavish 7-piece bathroom, a dressing room, and a private balcony. The lounge nearby overlooks the living room and city below, giving more of a serene vibe. 2 additional bedrooms, each with walk-in closets and ensuite bathrooms, offer even more space and privacy. Residents enjoy a plethora of amenities, from an indoor pool and 24-hour concierge health club to restaurants, room service, and housekeeping. Located near theaters, art galleries, boutiques, cafes, and fine dining, Suite 5402 could be the perfect haven for a dynamic power couple with careers in the bustling financial district.